Today I'm replacing a backup sensor. When I put the truck in reverse, the sensor doesn't go off at all. If there's someone standing behind it, it doesn't beep at all. On the 4Scan, I checked for error codes and it's coming up as back left sensor is bad. So one sensor is causing none of them to work. So I'm going to try replacing it right now. This is the part number I got for it. I'm replacing just one of them. This is not an OEM sensor, and I don't even know if this is going to work to fix the problem, but this is how you replace the sensor anyways. The sensor is right here. You have to unplug the plug right there. I'm just going to try to pop this sensor out. Alright, there's looks like a tab right on top here, and there's one down below. You use a flat blade, but I'm going to use my hand, and then we'll push it from the front. So I'm pushing it from outside. I'm pushing the sensor out with my finger. And that's it, it's out. I just gotta unclip the connector. Or for this connector, you just gotta pop this up a little bit right here with your finger or a flat blade or something. And then slide it back. And we'll put a little bit of grease on this connector. Some dielectric type of grease. Lube it up before I plug in the new one. I just smear it right on there. Push it in the holes. Got my new sensor here. And it just goes back on with the nub going into that hole. Just snap it back in. And now, just put it back in the same way you took it out. That's it, it's reinstalled. Now I'm gonna go test it out, see if it works. Switching ignition to on. Putting it in reverse. And it's working. My sister's behind walking around. Before it did nothing, now it works. 4Scan told me exactly what sensor was bad on my laptop. So I was able to change out just the sensor that's bad real quick and easy. So now my reverse parking sensors work.